Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to return true if at least one of the element in the list satisfying a particular condition. Okay, I have a condition that at least one of the element is less than 10. I want to return true. Okay, at least one of the element is satisfying a particular condition. Then I want to return true. For that, there are many ways to do this, and we tend to write complex formulas to identify each element, but there are some simpler and easier methods. So I thought I will upload this video. It will be helpful for many of us to write simpler formulas using this kind of simpler methods. Okay, so what I have here, it is list of numbers. I want to check if at least one of the number in this list is less than 10. I want to return true. How to do that? Okay, I'll show you. First you need to write OR function and apply the list and the condition. It is less than 10 if one of them is we will put greater than 10. One of them is greater than 10. If any of them is greater than 10, I want to return true. Okay, here none of them is greater than 10. Obviously it will return false. So what I have here is the set of array and checking condition. So this condition checks individual elements of this array and returning a set of array. So this is going to be a array function, array formula. Okay, so if it is array formula, what you need to do is you need to you cannot simply enter, then it will say error. So you need to enter with the control shift enter. So it is a single cell array formula. Okay, control shift enter. You see, it is false because all of them are less than 10, so it is false. If one of them is greater than 10, it will become at least one of them satisfy the condition, it will become true. Okay, similarly I want to check if any of them, at least one of them is greater than 10, I want to return at least one of them satisfies this greater than 10 condition. I want to return true. How to do that? Same thing, or the full list, then greater than 10, control shift enter. Okay, false because all of them are less than 10 or equal to 10, less than or equal to 10. Okay, so I will make this one as 10. What happens? Still it is false, it is not greater than 10. Now it is 11. It is true. Since one of them is true, it is true. Okay, so simply the same thing here. It is instead of one column, I want to consider all the elements here as a one matrix. It's a 10 by 2 matrix. How to get true or false? If at least one condition, one element is true. Okay, the same thing, or send the full argument list and check the condition, close the bracket. Then similarly for control shift enter, because it's an array formula, is true. It at least one of them is true, it is true. Okay, I will change this one to 10. What happens? For individually it is false because none of them is greater than 10 in this list, but collectively it is true because for all the elements at least one element is greater than 10. Okay, I'll make this one also 5. You can see this is false. Okay, this way you will get true or false if at least one element in the full list satisfies a particular condition. Hope this video is helpful to you to write your complex formulas, and please subscribe to my channel and God bless you.